Alright guys, I'm running a freebie. I have the list in a Word document, 823. Alive. We are live. $823. I have the list copied already. I will drop it in. 122 entries, and since there's 122 entries, you use 3 dice, 8 or higher. And we have 10, that's good. 3 dice. 10 is the dice roll. Top 4 win. Good luck. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It's 9 times. Dice is a 10. Next click. Top 4. Good luck. And this is draft style. Top 4. And 10. Russell, Dwayne, Jack, and Steve. You guys are the Jake and Steve. You guys are the winners. Top 4 here. We are done. 824. Wow, is Facebook lagging? 824. 824. Down here. Verification code and timestamp.